Hi guys, so in the last session we learned how to create a database in MySQL. Now in today's session we are going to learn how to create table inside that particular database. For that just click on the connection that you had created where your database was also created. So let's say you want to create your a table inside the database which was named as company XYZ. Okay. For that you need to define to the system that this is the particular database that you're going to use now and all the operations will be done inside that only. So give the command here use and your database name. So here the database name is company XYZ. Alright. So once you run this, all the operations will be done inside this particular database only. Next is we want to create a table inside this database. So let's say we want to have employee details. So just mention here create table and let's say we are going to give the table name as employee details. All right. And we want to have here employee ID. So we can define it as emp ID and it can be an integer. Next is we want to give employee names. You can give here employee name and you have to define the data type as varchar. It means and then let's say we have the maximum character length would be let's say 100. Okay, so it means here in this employee name we have given the data type as variable character. Therefore we can write the names of any length inside this particular data type. Okay, in case you define only char and you give here 50 or 100, so let's say you give here 50, in that case what will happen is if even suppose you give a name of 10 characters or 20 characters, all other spaces will be occupied as underscore or a space. So it means full length will be occupied for that particular column name. Okay, so it's better we define the varchar and give the maximum length. Okay, so let's say I'm going to give here, you can give whatever you desire. I'm giving here let's say 70. Okay, next is I also want to have employee department. So we'll give here employee department. Okay, and same varchar and let's say the maximum length of this one is also 70. Let's say next one we are going to give as employee location. Okay, and same varchar and it can also be 70 max is the maximum one that we can provide. Okay, so this is how we define this particular command. Now you can run this command and the employee tables will be created. Okay, so we are getting certain error here. Table employee details already exists, so it means our table already has this particular table name. So we can what we can do, one thing is we can either drop this existing table or we can create a new table. Okay, so we are going to create a new table here. I'm going to give the name as employee tables, let's say 2. Okay, so I'm now going to run this and we are getting the success response. If you want to see that, go to your information schema and you can see here tables, employee details too, because employee tables was already created. Okay, now in case you want to delete the existing table, so you want to delete this particular table, so just give here drop and give the table name as employee details. Okay, drop table employee details. This is going to delete our existing table now. Okay, this is now deleted. All right, so this is how we can create and drop a table here. All right, thank you.